Check out our new feature update. We now have version history for forms and for surveys. Now you can automatically save and track multiple versions of forms and surveys, allowing businesses to easily review changes and revert to previous versions. So let's talk about the benefits. Now you have effortless revision tracking. You can seamlessly track changes and revisions made to forms and surveys over time. You can also quickly fix errors. You can easily revert to previous versions of forms or surveys to rectify mistakes or restore an earlier version. You'll also be able to efficiently version correct. This is going to accelerate the correction process by swiftly accessing and reverting to specific versions. So now let's go ahead and talk about the practical use. Imagine that you are using the CRM to collect client feedback through surveys. With the new form and survey version history, you can now confidently make changes to survey questions, review past versions for comparison, and you can ensure that each iteration of the survey aligns with your client engagement objectives. So let me show you exactly where to find this. First, we're going to make sure that we're under Sites. That's where forms and surveys are located. Once you're under Sites, you're going to choose either forms or surveys, depending on your need, and then you are going to go to the required form or survey that you would like to edit. Now, what is awesome is you're going to be able to see the new versions option in the upper right-hand corner, kind of near the Save button. What's great is once you start utilizing this, you're also going to be able to see the previous versions all listed. Form and survey version history is going to empower your business to effortlessly track revisions, correct errors, and optimize your form design. We hope you enjoy this new feature update. Let us know if you need any help at all.